Hi, my name is Madeline Cole, and this is my submission for the week 9 assignment. So we're working mainly in our projects app file here. And so first, we made our private instance of list of string here that will get the project going. And I surrounded it with the formatter on and off statements. And then we have our scanner here that will be able to obtain input from a user. And down here, we have our process user selections method that will display the menu selections to a user. And a little bit further down here on line 102, we have our get user selection method that will print the operations and then accept user input as an integer. And a little bit further down, over here on line 131 is our print operations method that prints each available selection on a separate line in the console. And at line 110, we have our get int input method that accepts input from the user and converts it to an integer. On line 124, this is our get string input method that really prints the prompt and gets the input from the user. And then back at the top of the class, let me find it right here. On line 20, we have the project service class, which created a new class over here. And this tab, the project service. And back in projects app, on line 65 is the string and big decimal, which will gather details from the user. And we also created our project DAO class over here that will read and write to the MySQL database. So let's go back into the projects app and run it and start working through the questions. All right, so the first question we needed to answer was entering A, B, C to make sure it wouldn't accept it, and it throws an error. And also the number 5 since it is out of our limits. And it tells us that that is not a valid selection. So I'm going to clear this real quick and run it again. And now we can start showing just how it'll run. So menu selection will do 1. Enter the project name. We're going to tile the floor. The estimated hours are 8. Actual hours are 7. Difficulty is about a 4. It's never fun tiling a floor. For the project notes, we'll just say we need to go buy more tiles from Lowe's. All right, so we successfully obtained a connection and we have successfully created our project. So that is all for my week 9 submission. Thank you.